I'm actually on my way home right now from my job. It was actually a pretty chill day. I didn't really design a lot, but I mean, it was pretty good. And today I just did a quick journey map on, you know, just like the end-to-end points, see where their pain points are. What's up, everybody? All right, so here we go. My review on the Autolight switch from eBay. I've had this switch for about 2 weeks now. It's been pretty cool. I have the 2014 Jetta SE that did not come with fog lights or anything like that. So the switch is pretty much just like an on-off thing. Kind of like, it's kind of nice just to be able just to like not zone out, but you know, does not have to think about it. So it's like another luxury feature in the car. It's a really easy install to do. It probably only took me about 5 minutes to do. You know, it's straight plug and play. The manufacturer said that it was pre-programmed when it came out the box, but the settings were kind of ratchet. But for the most part, it was programmed. The kit also comes with like an instruction manual on how to program the Autolight switch if you really need to. I would suggest that you do because the times may vary and it's more like a preference thing. Also, take note, before you go out and purchase, take it out first by pushing it in, like have it in off position, push it in, turn to the right, you can pull it all out. You have to see the connection in the back. There's two types of plugs. They have the fat one, which is the one that I have in the link below, and the one that I've also mentioned in my install video. And then they also have like a skinny one, which you'll also find. You can easily find these parts on eBay. They're less than 40 bucks. I think mine's was $35, free shipping on it, about 2 weeks to ship. Came in a pretty nice package. And most of the tools that you're gonna need outside of the kit are gonna be a trim tool. I use the butter knife in my video, so don't judge me for that. I would give this a pretty nice review. It's been, after I got it programmed, it's pretty straight. I like it. Anyway, check out my install video on how to get this part in your Jetta or Golf or Passat, the shit. And you can also be able to have your lights turn on by themselves. It's like a little smart car. Not really, it's not that smart. Not that slow either. Anyway, all right. So if you found this video really insightful, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more reviews on things that I've either installed or things that you think might be cool to like get some insight on, please leave a comment below. Also subscribe to my channel. May have some more how-to videos coming in and install videos. Also, I'll be doing some design videos too. I mean, if you didn't already know, I'm a designer. I think the next project I might tackle how to make a spotter. I think that's what it is, a car spotter. If you were doing like a wrap or something like that. I'll probably get some more information on for that later. If you have any other suggestions, then be sure to hit me up. Let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to get right back to you. All right. Always remember, stay creative. Man, that's a lot of comments.
Police reported ahead.
I got the police, man. They're so slow.